Hello everyone, this is day 10, question 2 of our Leetcode activity. Given an integer array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. So here you can understand through examples that here 2, 3, 2, 2 appears 2 times, n is 3, 3 by 2 is 1.5, but we take the floor. So 2 is more than 1 and 3 appears 2 times, so output is 3. Similarly, here 2 appears 4 times, n is 7, n by 2 is 3.5. We take 3 and 4 is greater than 3, so answer is 2. So, how we will solve it? This is the logic. We declare two variables, candidate and count. Now, using a for loop, we iterate the array. Firstly, I will point at the first element, that is index 0. Now initially count is 0. If count is equal to 0, we simply just record the current element as the candidate. So this is the currently the candidate for the majority element. And now again, now this if statement is done. We go to next if statement. If nums I equal to candidate, yes, then increase the counter by 1. Okay. Now next, now 2. Again, candidate count is not 0, so this is skipped. Nums equal to candidate, yes. Then count will be increased by 1. Now 1 is not equal to our current candidate, so the count will be decreased by 1. Again 1, so this counter will be decreased by 1, so this will become 0. Now next counter is 0, so 1 has become the candidate for majority element now, and the count will get increased by 1. Now 2, so this is nums is not equal to candidate, so the counter will get decreased again to 0, count minus minus, and at the end again 2. Now count is 0, so again 2 will become the candidate or the majority element of the array, and we have reached the last index, so therefore we'll return the candidate, which was 2 and which was the correct answer. So why does this work? Because this count variable will always favor the majority element, as majority element's count is greater than count of any element in the array. Eventually the candidate variable will ultimately store the element which has majority in the array. So this was the logic for the question majority element. Thank you.